One of our transformers was asking me, "Hey Patrick, how come I'm not losing weight anymore?" And I can tell from the tone of her voice that she was feeling discouraged and disappointed. In the beginning, she was losing weight. She was dropping 2 pounds per week. And all of a sudden, she hit a plateau. All of a sudden, her weight wasn't going down anymore. And she felt really, really discouraged. And I helped her make this one shift to help her break through that plateau. And this is what I want to be sharing with you today. The number one shift that you can make to help break through your weight loss plateau. Hey, it's Coach Patrick here, online personal trainer, nutrition coach, and your weight loss expert. And so losing weight, it's easy, right? Move better, eat better, and do it consistently. But I would have you consider this, that maybe you're missing a huge component from a mental point of view that's stopping you from losing weight, from toning up, from feeling sexy and confident in your body. See, maybe you're doing all the right things from a tactical point of view, from exercising, from eating healthy, but you're missing a huge component from a mental side of you that's stopping you. And what's stopping you is not being able to build long-term habits and not being able to build discipline and focus. So you've fallen in love with the results, but you haven't fallen in love with the process. What happens when you get stressed out, when you have a long day at work and you don't feel like working out or exercising? What happens when your menstrual cycle hits and all you want to do is emotionally eat and you have all these cravings? What happens when you have a financial crisis and you're stressed out and all you want to do is give up, when you feel alone, when you feel discouraged? See, your weight is going to fluctuate. It's going to go up and down. But what we have to do is we have to stay level with our emotions. We can't have peaks and valleys. We have to stay disciplined, we have to stay focused, and we have to stay committed to building long-term sustainable results. And this is what we teach inside of our Perform and Transform, our Transformers community, not only to lose weight, tone up, but to really develop the mindset that it takes to keep that weight off forever. And people outside of our Transformers community, I see them jumping from diet to diet, their weight going up and down, their weight yo-yoing back and forth, is because they're chasing results and they haven't fallen in love with the process. And once they stop seeing the results, once they get discouraged, they give up. They give up for a week, they give up for a month, and they're not able to keep the weight off forever. And so I would have you consider this. My coach told me this all the time. It's not about the journey, it's about the destination. It's not about the results, it's about the process. So what is the process? The process is enjoying eating healthy food. The process is enjoying your exercises. Because if you enjoy exercises, at the end of the day, when you're stressed out, you're going to look forward to your workout to help you feel good, to help you release those great endorphins. When you look forward to eating healthy food, not only can you do it in the short term, but you can do it long term sustainably because it's foods that you genuinely enjoy. And so if you're not enjoying your foods and you're not losing weight, if you're not enjoying your workout plan, you're not looking forward to your workouts, then talk to me, talk to your coach so he can work with you to develop a meal plan that's going to work for you, develop a food plan that you generally enjoy eating, develop a workout plan that you look forward to. And when you fall in love with the process, I can guarantee you the results will come. So take away from today, don't fall in love with the results, fall in love with the process. And when you do that, I can guarantee you that you will see results, that you will see your weight go down, that you will break through your plateau. So thanks for watching and allowing us to transform your life through fitness.